Tech Immersion Day was a really great experience. We managed to look at new technologies, which is a great thing to look at and understand how they work.
Today's been a fun day of basically coming in with different groups of digital champions that we have in the business. And a lot of times, because we are kind of stuck in our industry, we don't get as much exposure to technologies that are out there. And so today, it's been a very interesting workshop with the COOi Studios team to help us address problem statements or business challenges that we're having through the use of technology. Maybe what I found very interesting was the use of augmented reality, and I think that's, of all the technologies I saw today, from a marketing side, I find that most exciting.
Like the most, I think the 3D printing is quite an interesting technology. I know it's still quite new and it takes a bit of time and to develop stuff, but it's a technology that I believe it can create a lot of solutions in the time to come.